Hey guys, welcome to our overview. We appreciate you checking this out. We hope that you would just give us at least 10 minutes to share what it is that we're doing. And I encourage you to get back with whoever sent this because they had your best interests at heart, okay? Now guys, my name is Jorik Battle, and I tell you, 30-year veteran in the direct sales industry, but I started as a traditional business owner. And guys, I tell you, I was terrible at first, but because of plugging in with some incredible people, folks who taught me the game, we quickly learned and went full time. And since then, we've earned millions of dollars and we've helped others do the same. So the industry of direct sales is very powerful if you understand it. I mean, most industries you have to get trained, but people get in voluntarily and just start doing anything and wonder why they may not have success. Well, I think we found something where everybody's going to win. And guys, we're so excited that you're at least taking a look. And of course, our next video will be our training system, which is very simple on how to make this go. So let's get started. A dream without a plan is just a wish. Guys, we want to make sure that we're letting you know that this is truly a legitimate plan B, whether you're 18 to 80, looking to get started and further your life, expand or pay off things, get out of debt, or to just make sure your retirement is straight. This is an absolute amazing vehicle. For as the body without the spirit is dead, so faith without works is dead also, James 2:26. So guys, we found something. We're talking about a program that has a 50% fast start bonus, okay? And that's very rare in this industry. I've been doing this 30 years, as I said. Not too many companies pay out 50% up front. That is extremely generous. Number two, simple to understand. Anybody can do this. Number three, simple to share. We made sure of that. Number four, great timing. Number five, it's affordable to start for everyone, regardless of your budget. Number six, it's Amazon inflation recession proof. Even guys can be said to be COVID proof because all you need is your cell phone, computer. You could build this pretty much anywhere in the world. Strong residual income potential, strong. Guys, did I say strong? Strong residual income potential. And of course, a great foundation with a track record, okay? With the track record. And of course, a satisfaction guarantee. Guys, welcome to Savings Highway Global. An opportunity that we feel in 2022 is going to absolutely change the game. Now, guys, a little bit about Savings Highway Global. They got started in 2006. For most companies, they'd be just a me too. But we're excited that they have been, really understanding the market and putting the best things in position. Now we know that it's an opportunity where its time has come. And folks, just like Amazon or any other company that took a while to get off the ground and then just exploded, I believe that's where we're going. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and fully accredited. We've helped families save millions of dollars and we paid out millions to affiliates. But folks, our goal now is to help 1 million families become debt-free. That's right, become debt-free. So look, we have a membership, guys, in two versions. Our gold membership, platinum partner. The gold is $20 and the platinum is $100. Either way, you get access to incredible savings. But you're also in business at no additional cost. All you have to do is just start sharing other members and you start collecting checks. Folks, what you get is the access to this amazing savings portal, one of the best travel engines we've ever seen. People are saving thousands a year just for being a member, okay? But as a platinum, you get everything, okay? All the different bonuses, the additional discounts. Folks, the incredible Platinum Dream Vacation, which we're talking about an 8-day, 7-night getaway, folks. Mexico, United States, or the UK, beautiful resorts to choose from every year that's valued over $3,000. All we pay are the taxes. So it's an amazing thing because you have a 7-day money back guarantee as well. So if there's 7 days you don't like it, you could just request a refund and they're going to send you back your funds promptly, okay? So look, some of the things that we've just added that are just spectacular, things like identity theft protection. Now, you may have had it already or have it, but I know this, our identity theft protection has $1 million insurance policy with it to help you restore your identity if something happens. Guys, people have had nightmares going broke trying to protect who they are because they've had their identity stolen. That's crazy, okay? But also we have access to the 24-hour telehealth. Telemedicine is a game changer. Folks, it's quickly becoming a multi-billion-dollar industry, and we want to be right in the thick of it, okay? The growth potential of the next 10 years is absolutely amazing. Of course, we're talking about credit monitoring And it's a prelude to where we're going because, folks, you want to make sure nobody is tampering with your credit that you don't know about, and of course, have access to help if you need it. And then, folks, we're also talking about, being able to make sure your credit is straight. And of course, lastly here, our computer tech support. I don't know about you in this high-tech world, most people are just guessing at it. Things change so rapidly. Man, wouldn't it make sense to be able to pick up your phone now and talk to a rep like we used to versus sending messages and all that? You never really get the answer. Guys, we are excited about this value, and it's just going to add more money to the business side. More services means more legitimate residual income, okay? Now, how many people want to save money, make money, or both? I believe a lot of people, if they believe, will do both. This is a very unique proposition, guys, because a lot of times you got to like a service or a product, stack your garage up or what have you, get on an auto ship. Nah, folks, totally different here because our whole gist is saving you money, okay? But now let's look at the making money side. Our opportunity, there's 10 ways to get paid. And folks, Luke 14:28 says it like this: for which of you desiring to build a tower does not first sit down and count the cost, whether he has enough to complete it? You got to make a decision, guys. And that's what business is about. A lot of folks get in to see if they can get rich tomorrow. Well, if you want to build a legitimate income, I'm telling you, you found it. All right. And there's no guarantee, but this thing we can say, if you build it, folks, you're going to flat out get paid, plain and simple. Okay. So we're talking about the first one we get paid is the 50% fast start bonus. Folks, we're talking about half of the membership, and it pays out weekly. You get paid half of every member you refer ongoing for the life of your business. But then, guys, we also have a 9-level fast start override. See, you either override or overridden in this country. And most of us were taught how to get overridden. We want to teach you now how to build leverage and override. 1% of 100 people's efforts than 100% of just you. All right. And so you get 5 to 10%. Now, on other people building their fast start bonuses, you get a percentage through 9 levels below you. Okay. Then, guys, we also have the 3x12 force matrix, which is what? Residual income. This is our residual on the back end. While you're building a fast start, while you're building the 9-level overrides, you now have the ability to build strong residual with our force matrix. Folks, now you're getting paid on members other people are bringing on a monthly basis and yourself. We got the 10% platinum check match. Once you qualify for this, you get 10% of everybody you enroll's matrix bonus, guys. Every residual check they get every week, you get 10%. And of course, we have our corporate bonus structure, which could reward you anywhere from $200 a month to $10,000 a month in bonuses. Can you imagine $5,000 a month, $2,000 a month in just bonus money every month? Guys, we're excited, and a whole lot more income. But those are the things I wanted to share with you right now. Now, look, guys, I want to show you the 7-week to $7,000 a month plan. That's right, 7 weeks to $7,000 a month of residual, and that's in the numbers. And we're using a platinum program. So look, if you refer 3 people, that's going to pay you $150 plus $100 bonus in your first week. Then, guys, not only do you put $250 in your pocket right now, which is your money back and a profit, you also have a $75 a month residual started with just 3 people. But then they do the same. They refer 3 each. You don't even probably know these people, but now you pick up $270. And guess what, folks? Another $45 a month residual. Now you're at $120, which pays for your membership every month. They referred 3 as well. That's $27, $135, $135 more a month. Now you're over $200, folks, about $250 every month in residual income. And it just keeps multiplying, because who doesn't know 3 people that want to get out of debt and build a strong residual to maybe retire early or do whatever you want to do? It just keeps multiplying each week because everybody's getting 3. Look at your money, your bonus money, just growing, guys. Look at this. By the 7th week, we're talking $10,935. And oh, it doesn't have anything to do with you because most of these people may not even know you. That's $10,935 a month. Guys, you look up, you got $16,000 a month. What if you just got that half right and you're at $8,200? That's still 6 figures in residual. But look at this, guys, 25% right, you're talking about $4,100 a month, right? Or guys, if we're saying 10%, look, $1,645 a month, and you fail by 90%. This is huge. Most people retire after 30 or 40 years and realize that, whoa, my monthly income is only going to be around $1,600 because they pay you a third of what you used to make, right? So look, guys, here's the thing. this kind of bonus money, this type of residual potential in 7 weeks. What are you working on that could put you at 16,000 a month? And guys, I know we said 7,000, but look, we'll take the 9 if you want to give it back, right? But no, in all seriousness, this thing is going to keep going because those 2,000 people know people. Those 6,000 and those 8,000 and 20,000. Before you know it, folks, you're done. Okay, you have a strong residual, just like everybody else who has built successfully in this industry. But here's the thing: when you look at maybe getting just a few $1,000s, getting out of debt is our goal. Let's say you had a $300,000 mortgage, 30 years, guys, right? 30 years on the term, 5% interest, and let's say you just put an extra $2,000 a month. Now you say, I know, just the extra, right? Well, folks, that's how powerful. Again, remember, additional income gives us choices. So now you have the choice to pay your house off early. Look, folks, instead of 30 years, you pay it off 21 years and 5 months early, which we're talking 8 years, 7 months. Look at the interest, guys, that's going to save you $210,000 just by putting $2,000 extra a month on that mortgage. Now you're out of the stress of having to make sure, because we know one of the most stressful things, make sure your home is taken care of. That payment is done. And hey, then you can start on everything else, right? But look at this, folks. We're looking at, 369,000 total payments versus 579,000. I think that 210,000 looks better in our account versus the mortgage company. And better still, if you took now this $3,600 payment you were making, and for 21 years and 5 months, you put that in an investment vehicle, I believe you would have even more than 210,000. Folks, this is how most people's retirement is getting drained, okay? Instead of having, the ability to travel and do the things for our family and leave a legacy, the money is getting tied up in the mortgage company because that's all we know. Why? Debt. Guys, we want to get out of debt, okay? And the thing about us, we get paid every week, okay? You could get paid via debit card or direct deposit in your bank with Pay Quicker, or guys, in Bitcoin. Every week on Wednesday, guys, we get a text or an email letting us know that we just got a deposit by 3 p.m. Eastern every Wednesday. And folks, all it's going to do each week, if you plug into this plan, is go up. More money, more money, more money. See, the rich rules over the poor, and the borrower is slave of the lender. Proverbs 22:7. We don't want the mortgage. We want the deed. We don't want the car loan. We want the title. Guys, see, let's pay them off, okay? We want to be able to put our money in the bank, not have to take it to the bank, because now we got to pay these bills all the time. There has to be a way where we see ourselves getting out of debt. Imagine how further our money would go with no debt. So guys, if you really want to do something, you'll find a way. And if you don't, you'll probably find an excuse. And I know this, Jim Rohn meant it, guys. Incredible, incredible gentleman, right? But look, money matters. You can make all the excuses in the world, but money matters. It satisfies all things. It determines lifestyle, where we live, what we drive, how we travel. It'd be great if you didn't need no money. You could just take them a ticket you drew on a paper and say, hey, I'm ready to go. I need this car, I need this house. But they want to see some money, right? So folks, look, get back whoever invited you here. And if it was me, absolutely. Let's get you started. 7 weeks from now, we literally can be on a whole different timeline, folks. A whole different choice every day for the rest of our lives. It's been a pleasure. God bless, guys. We do Zooms all the time to help you build this business. And remember, timing is right now, because somebody in the matrix could fall right under you right after you join and you don't even know them. And they could blow this thing up, which will blow your residual up too. Hey, be blessed, everybody. And we look forward to seeing you at the top.